Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about meteorology, or maybe you're a student just starting your journey into weather studies, you've probably heard about the American Meteorological Society's programs. But what's the secret sauce that makes these courses so effective? Well, a big part of it is this right here, the Weather Studies Investigations Manual. Today, we're going to do a deep dive into this incredible resource and show you why it says so much more than just a textbook. So, what exactly is the Weather Studies Investigations Manual? Think of it as your hands-on guide to the atmosphere. It's published by the American Meteorological Society, or AMS, and it's designed to be used alongside their introductory weather courses, which are offered at hundreds of colleges and universities. Unlike a traditional textbook that just presents you with facts to memorize, this manual is all about doing. It's packed with investigations that challenge you to analyze real-time weather data. Each chapter in the manual focuses on a specific meteorological concept. It could be atmospheric pressure, wind patterns, cloud formation, or severe weather. The chapter starts with a concise introduction to the topic, giving you the fundamental knowledge you need. But the real learning happens in the investigations that follow. These aren't just simple question and answer sections. They are genuine, hands-on activities that require you to actively engage with current weather information. This is where things get really cool. The manual is designed to work with the AMS real-time weather portal. This online platform provides up-to-the-minute weather maps, satellite imagery, radar data, and model forecasts. So, when you're working through an investigation on, say, cold fronts, you're not looking at a static, outdated diagram in a book. You're actually tracking a real cold front moving across the country at that very moment. You'll be plotting data, interpreting charts, and making your own forecasts based on live conditions. This approach has a huge advantage. It bridges the gap between theory and reality. It's one thing to read about how a low-pressure system works, but it's a completely different experience to analyze the wind circulation, cloud cover, and precipitation associated with a real cyclone developing over the Great Plains. This method makes the concept stick. You're not just learning weather, you're experiencing it. You start to see the atmosphere as a dynamic, ever-changing system, not just a collection of abstract principles. Another fantastic feature of the Investigations Manual is its structure. It's updated annually, which is crucial for a field like meteorology, where our understanding and technology are constantly evolving. The investigations build upon each other, starting with basic concepts and gradually moving to more complex topics. By the end of the course, you'll have developed a solid foundation in observational meteorology and weather analysis. You'll know how to read a surface weather map like a pro, interpret Doppler radar, and understand the stories that satellite images tell. So, if you're a student about to take a course using this manual, get excited. You're about to embark on a really practical learning adventure. And if you're a self-learner or a weather enthusiast, looking into the AMS programs that use this manual could be a fantastic way to take your passion to the next level. It truly transforms the way you see the weather forecast on the news, giving you a much deeper appreciation for the science behind it. That's a quick look at the Weather Studies Investigations Manual. It's a cornerstone of modern weather education for a reason. It's practical, it's current, and it's incredibly engaging. Have you used this manual before? Let me know about your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.